Okay, so using ChatGPT to act as a data scientist, if you want to analyze your campaign performance data or report, is a nice little starting point. I'm not saying that you should use it as the holy grail, the only way to analyze the data and come up with patterns and trends and correlations. Use it as a starting point, and then of course cross-check it with your own data extractions and analysis and so forth. But I love it as a starting point. Okay, so export a campaign report straight from your ESP, like Klaviyo, for instance, drop it into the CSV and save it on your local machine so you can import it into ChatGPT. You need a pro version for this feature, I believe. So just pay for the tool. So you upload your CSV. You ask it to act as a data scientist to extract insights and trends and patterns within the uploaded CSV file. Follow this format below. Extract an insight, give an actionable recommendation. I then give it two examples. For instance, high-performing campaigns are being sent at 9 a.m. in the morning. The suggestion is send more campaigns at 9 a.m. in the morning. I also give it a second example, just to, of course, train it to look for the insight pattern first, and then give me a recommendation based off of your finding. Okay. You can then go into some of its recommendations. Again, cross-check it with the data and so on, but it's a good starting point. For instance, first insight here, campaigns sent at 9 a.m. have notably higher open rates. Recommendation, of course, schedule more campaigns at 9 a.m. Insight, Saturday campaigns show improved engagement rates compared to other days. Of course, send more campaigns over Saturdays. The subject line containing enjoy up to 70 has significantly higher click rates. Use aggressive discounting language, blah, blah, blah. Okay. It's also telling me which lists I should target more often. You can also, low unsubscribe rates are associated with campaigns having a specific focus on product features. For example, sweat-proof truffle undershirts. Recommendation is to focus on unique product features to keep unsubscribed at a minimal rate. Emails sent on Sunday show the lowest place order rates. So maybe avoid scheduling sales or conversion focused campaigns on a Sunday. Maybe send more educational content on a Sunday. Campaigns with subject lines that create urgency or exclusivity lead to higher place order rates. So of course use urgency more frequently and so on. So very, very, very cool way to extract some insights and patterns and correlations from the raw data that you import into ChatGPT for the machine to read it. And then of course the actionable recommendations is also pretty cool. And then you can of course feed your A/B testing sheet or program from these recommendations. If it says you need to use more exclusivity type of language, use it, A/B test it, prove it right or wrong. So very cool tool to use for some quick fire data analysis.